to everyone, welcome to our channel Smart Sutra. My name is Srinivas and in this video I have explained in detail about SBI PO. Now SBI PO is considered to be the benchmark for all the graduates. Everyone dreams to get into SBI because of its high salary and its facilities. So let me explain you in detail about this recruitment process. The recruitment process has slight changes to that of the previous year. So please watch this video till the end, and in between I am going to give you all a special gift worth rupees 1000. So please watch the video till the end to know what is that gift. Let me explain you in detail with the help of mind map. So I have made around 10 points to explain SBI PO 2020. The first point here is the age limit. The age limit is 21 to 30 years. If you are under OBC category, you get plus 3 years as relaxation, and for SC/ST you get plus 5 years. Second point is the vacancies. So vacancies here, there are total of 2000. Okay, if you see for SC it is 300, for ST it is 150, for OBC 540. Okay, all these together there are total of 2000 vacancies. Now coming to the third point. A third point, some important dates. Now the application has begun from 14th November 2020 to 4th December 2020. So remember, the last date is 4th December. Now second point, prelims exams date has been declared. It will be from 31st December 2020 to 5th January 2021. Even the mains exam dates are declared, that is 29 Jan 2020. So if you see, dear students, all the banks, okay, be it IBPS or be it SBI, the dates are already announced. The date of application, the date of hall ticket, the date of pre, the date of mains, the date of interview, everything is planned. So you can plan your career accordingly. You know, in the matter of this 6 months, you can get into SBI also. Unlike railways and SSC where things are not certain, only the prelims exam dates are announced, but the mains exam and the results, you know, it takes sometimes years also. So this does not happen with banks. So you can plan your career well. Now interview will be held in the last week of February or first week of March, and the result of the total will be in the last week of March. So that means by April you will get into SBI. Okay, so dear students, please understand, even the last stage of the recruitment is being announced here, that is March last week. So this is a great boon for someone who wants to make a career. Now coming to the next point, the selection process. Now under selection process there is prelims exam, there is mains exam, and there is interview. Prelims is considered only as a filter round where it is only used for filtering people. So it is the score from the prelims is not considered for recruitment. It is only a qualifying nature. Okay, and mains and interview marks together you will get into bank. Now let me explain you what are the subjects under prelim section. Now there is English, quantitative aptitude, logical ability for 30, 35 and 35 marks, a total of 100 marks. Okay, total of 100 marks, and the time duration for each section is 20 minutes. So that means once your English section begins, you can answer only English for the next 20 minutes, and once the 20 minutes is over, your English window will close and quantitative aptitude or logical reasoning window opens. So you will get 20 minutes for each section, so you have to answer each sections well. Now coming to the mains exam. Mains exam is slightly different from prelims. Here if you see reasoning and computer aptitude together, there is 45 questions for 60 marks. Now computer aptitude will be only for around 8 to 10 marks. Most of the questions will be based on puzzles and setting arrangement, which is part of logical reasoning. Then data analysis and interpretation will be for 60 marks, 35 questions. Okay, and the duration for that section is 45, and duration for reasoning and computer aptitude is 60 minutes. General awareness, economics and banking awareness, total questions are 40 and marks are 40, and the time duration is 35. English language section, here the total number of questions are 35, maximum marks is 40, time duration is 40. A total of 200 marks in 3 hours. Now coming to the another test which will be a part of mains, that is essay and letter writing. Together it will be for 50 marks in 30 minutes. So you will have to type essay and letter writing within 30 minutes for 50 marks. So one should remember that you have to practice at least once in a week or once in 2 weeks. You have to practice letter writing and essay. You can take the hot topics like these days it is nepotism and COVID-19, all these things together. You can plan whatever is happening these days, that topic only will be there. So you can practice that. You can learn tips and techniques to improve your essay writing skill and letter writing skills. Now the last stage, which is interview. Interview, only when interview is conducted, it is for 50 marks, and when group discussion and personal interview is conducted, then the group discussion will carry 20 marks and interview will carry 30 marks. So I hope this section is clear. Now coming to the fifth section, that is eligibility criteria. Any graduation, if you have any graduation, you are allowed to apply. You have to be a graduate before 31st December 2020. Imagine if you are in final year now, and if your result is going to come in this month, that is November or December, you can apply. But if your result is going to come in the month of Jan, Feb or March, you cannot apply. You can plan it for the next year if you are in final year, because next year I think it will come by March or April, then you will be eligible. You can apply later. Now some key points here. Now the application fees is 750 rupees for general merit and OBC, and for rest all categories it is free. Second point, selection only on mains and interviews. As I have told earlier, the prelims marks are not considered for selection, and there is a negative marks of 0.25 marks. As you know, one question carries 1 mark. If it is wrong, it will be 0.25. So whenever you don't know the answers, please do not mark. Coming to the fourth point, that is no section cutoff. For the first time, there is no section cutoff. Usually, quantitative aptitude would have a separate section cutoff, and logical reasoning would have a separate section cutoff. From this time onwards, it's only overall cutoff. So out of 100, how much you get, and out of 200, how much you get, you get into the SBI. Free pre-exam training for minorities and SC/STs. Whenever you read the application, you see that there is free training for SC/ST and minorities in major cities, and students leave their village, go there, stay in hostel and lodge and spend money for 2 weeks. Dear students, please understand, SBI PO is the toughest exam. In 2 weeks, you'll not even understand only the syllabus also. So don't get carried away with the word free. What they do is they call some major coaching institutes there. The coaching institute will come there and they give a demo of their coaching institute, how good they are. So by that, they will take your phone numbers and all, and they'll call to their institute to train you further. So to prepare, at least you need 3 months to prepare this syllabus, and to achieve the result, at least you need, I think, at least 8 months to 1 year. So please don't try to, because I remember many students, when they are not aware of all these things, they think that this training will give them job. Firstly, understand there are 2,000 vacancies. So that means at least 50 lakh people will appear, and your success chance is very, very less unless you practice it well. So once you practice, you give at least 1 year, 2 year, only then you get this big number of salaries in your account. And the selection ratio for mains is 1:10. So that means what? As there are 2,000 vacancies, so into 10, that is 20,000 people will be called for the mains exam. So that means a person who is selected for mains, that means he's really preparing. So the next competition, that is mains exam, is only between the people who are preparing well. Prelims is just a filter round, as I have said before. Now coming to the main point, the salary here, if you are working in a village, you are posted in a village, you get 8.25 lakhs per annum. Okay, and if you are posted in a metro cities, you get 13.08 lakh per annum. So that means on an average you are earning gross more than 1 lakh rupees. So imagine you are eligible at the age of 21 and you get the salary, okay, of 1 lakh rupees. It is not impossible, dear students. If you practice from first year of graduation, as soon as you become a graduate, you can get into it. And even if you have started your preparation now, I think by 1 year you can prepare well. Coming to the 9th point here, that is the strategies to crack competitive exam. Now, strategies to crack SBI PO. First is go one subject at a time. So that means what? There is Quant, there is reasoning, there is English. First finish one subject completely, only then go to the other section. If you mix it up, there is reasoning, there is English, there is Quant, and you are trying to prepare all the 3 subjects together, you will feel the syllabus is too tough and you may end up not preparing at all. So go one subject at a time, okay, and go one topic at a time. And simultaneously, when you're preparing for Quant, reasoning or English, you can also read newspapers at least 2 hours per day. Now, when you read newspapers, what happens is you will improve your reading ability. By improving your reading ability, your English section, you need not prepare anything, because you know all the good words, the new vocabulary, you will understand. Your reading speed will increase, so that you will solve the problems faster, because you have to solve on an average within 30 to 40 seconds. So to solve that, you need to read the questions faster. If you are not preparing and going to exam, to read one question you will take 2 minutes. So when you read more and more newspaper, your reading ability will improve. Coming to the 3rd point, practice essay writing and letter writing at least once in a week. I've told it before. Then daily update yourself with current affairs and general knowledge. You can use Lucent book for general knowledge, and for daily current affairs, you can follow our Telegram channel. The details I'll give you later. Then you can give mock test. Okay, as soon as you finish one topic, give mock test of that topic. If you score more than 80%, that means you have understood that topic. So give section wise mock test, give topic wise mock test, and give overall wise mock test. Once you finish all the syllabus, then you can give overall mock test at least 3 times a day. The key here, you can ask anyone who has achieved competitive exams, it is mock test. Okay, it is a slow process where you learn the syllabus, you master the syllabus, you give mock test, you do well in mock test, then you get the job. Okay, and finally the 10th point is all about our course. Okay, now about our course, we have quantitative aptitude. We have made it in level 1 and level 2 category, and also we have made it in Kannada, Marathi and English. You can choose any language you want whenever you want. Okay, it is not that you take only Kannada. No, we give you everything. There are 3 different teachers for Kannada, for Marathi and for English. Whoever is good, where you are finding a good rapport with them, you can learn from them. And we have made it in level 1, which is a foundation course, and level 2, which is an advanced course. So reasoning also is made in level 1 and level 2 categories, and English language also is made in level 1 and level 2 categories. All these 3 subjects together, there are more than 500 videos. Now coming to the 4th point here, general awareness also will be given to you. You can use this general awareness for your SSC and for railways also. We have general awareness in all the categories, be it political science, be it history. We have collected all the videos and we have made one course. And coming to the 5th point, we also give you online mock test, topic wise, section wise, and full length mock test. When you try to buy all these 3 together, you have to pay at least 1,000 rupees in the market. Okay, this will be free in the course, and you will also get daily updates. Now daily updates, even if you have not taken our course, you can follow our Telegram channel. The link will be given. You can search our channel on Telegram by Smart Sutra, SMARTSUTRA. Okay, you can follow our Telegram channel. If you follow that, I'll be sharing you daily current affairs, daily vocabulary, daily general knowledge. Okay, and live quiz can be participated only by our students. So if you join our course, you will be directed to a special group where we will play daily general awareness quiz at 3:30 p.m. So even if you are not a student, you get these first 3 daily awareness, and also you get latest notification for free. So please subscribe that if you are preparing for competitive exams. And also someone who joins our course offline or online, when you take, you will be eligible to come to our inner circle meeting, which will happen every Friday at 7:30 p.m. through Zoom, where every of our student will participate for the quiz which happens on current affairs and static GK. So every Friday 7:30 p.m. you can take part. It's really a fun quiz. You can watch a demo of that quiz on our YouTube channel Smart Sutra. So please follow us on YouTube also, that is Smart Sutra, where you are watching this video. And please subscribe our channel, that is, you please follow our channel on Facebook and Instagram too by Smart Sutra. Now coming to our online course, the course worth is 40,000 rupees, because we are giving you huge product here. But when you go to our website, you can find it that the course which I have designed here is only for 3,999. The website is smartsutra.in. When you go there, you can go there directly and buy the product for 3,999 only. You know, in this whole country, no one will give you at this price with all these facilities, with Kannada, Marathi and English, with mock test, with daily current affairs. You know, you get lots of benefits here. And finally, as I have promised that I'll give you a special gift. Now, the gift here is, as you have watched this video till the end, I'm giving you a promo code. The promo code is SmartBank. When you go to our website smartsutra.in, go to online courses, and there you go and try to buy the course of banking. There, when you type this promo code, it will ask you for promo code. You can type the promo code as SmartBank in capitals. When you put that code, you will get 1,000 rupees off. So instead of paying 3,999, you will get 1,000 off. Then you will end up paying just 2,999. So dear students, I don't think so anyone will give you so much content at just 2,999. So I hope I have added some value regarding this SBI PO notification. I have also made other notification on SSC stenographer and SSC CHSL. So I hope you have liked this video. Please like if you have liked. Please comment your views about the video, and also subscribe our channel to get all the notification. And please do not share this promo code to anyone. You can share the video, let them watch, let them understand and earn this promo code. I hope you have liked it. Thank you. We hope this video added some value in your life. Please like and comment your views. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our weekly videos. Our videos will be added under two different brand names. Brand number 1, Smart Sutra. Here we add competitive exams related videos. Brand number 2, Srinivas Balaraju. Here we add career counseling and career guidance related videos. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can also check out our online courses for competitive exams, soft skill training programs on our website smartsutra.in, where you can also book your career counseling appointment too. Thank you for watching.